Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a usable image into Discord. Pick a clear photo so Midjourney reads details. Once uploaded to a channel you can access, copy the attachment link. This URL is your image seed. Make sure the file is public in that server and the link ends with an image extension like JPG or PNG. Keep the link ready in your clipboard because the next step is constructing the prompt where that URL must come first, followed by your instructions. Next, you build the prompt around that URL. Paste the image link, then add a clear directive such as turn into fantasy portrait, warm color palette. Once done, append parameters like R16, 9 for framing, and IL1. 0 to set how much Midjourney leans on your image versus the text. Make sure to order descriptors from concrete to abstract and keep modifiers concise. This helps the model prioritize subject integrity. Before finally, review the grid and choose upscale or variation to refine the best result. Use U buttons to increase detail and V buttons to explore alternatives. If composition or color is off, tweak stylize or lower IO to favor your original image more, then rerun the prompt. Make sure to experiment with small crops for focal control. Troubleshooting tip. If renders fail or the image is ignored, host the file on a different Discord server or re-upload to ensure a stable, publicly accessible URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.